Welcome to WhatsSmokingBBQ. Today I'm going to make some wraps on the barbecue. I'm going to fill them with chicken thigh, vegetables and barbecue sauce. Before putting the chicken thighs on the barbecue, I'm going to clean them up, of course. But also I'm going to brine them, and I'm going to use a very simple brining solution of 600 milliliters of water, 20 grams of salt, 5 grams of sugar and 30 grams of black peppercorns. I'm going to bring that up to a boil. Once everything is dissolved, I'm going to let it cool down, and I will bring it down to fridge temperature, so between the 0 and 7 degrees Celsius. After it's cooled down, I'm going to put my chicken thighs in there, and I'm going to let that marinate for like 45 minutes, an hour and a half max. That's it. So I added all the ingredients in here, the salt, the sugar, the peppercorns. I'm going to add that to the water. Bring it to the boil, like I said. So now the brine is cooled down, I put it in the chicken thighs and I will let that soak for a while. I have my barbecue heating up. I will use the indirect heat. To do that I will use 2 charcoal baskets and push them to the sides filled with coals. In the middle I will put a drip pan to catch the drippings of the chicken. My chicken has been brining, and I will get it out of the solution and just pat it dry with a couple of kitchen towels. And as soon as my barbecue is ready, I will toss them on, and I will use a smoker box this time, filled up with a mixture of wood, juniper berry and herbs, something my butcher made, so I'm very curious how that's gonna taste. Just pat it dry. Got some peppercorns, they are stuck to the chicken. They can stay on while they are barbecuing. I have 1 chicken fillet from the breast, and the rest is all chicken thighs. Get this out of the way. So this is how it all looks like. So I just put my chicken on the barbecue. Got my charcoal baskets on both sides, a drip pan in the middle, and my smoking box directly over the hot coals. It will start smoking in a few minutes. And I got my chicken on. Connected that to a thermometer probe to my Weber iGrill. And I will let that get up to temperature till it's about 72 degrees Celsius. My barbecue itself I'm adjusting to 110 degrees. Chicken is almost ready. Should go to 74 degrees, so give it a few more minutes. Chicken thighs are ready. But it's more the chicken fillet that's staying behind, but it's almost done as well. Coloring looks very, very nice. The chicken is ready. I'm going to take it off the barbecue so it can cool down a little. I'm going to chop it into pieces, and what I will do then is fill up the wraps. So the chicken is ready. It got some nice color on it from the smoke. I'll let it cool down and let it sit like that a little bit. Then I'm gonna put my wraps. I'm gonna fill them with the chicken, with some lettuce and rocket lettuce, rucola. So I'm gonna fill it up with a mixture of yellow and red and green peppers, cabbage and carrots, and put some barbecue sauce or hot sauces on it. After that I wrap it, I will put it on the barbecue on direct heat for just half a minute. That's it. Like I said, I put some lettuce on it. I'm going to put the other vegetable mix on it. Just like that. Add some chicken. Add some barbecue sauce. And wrap it. And then this goes on the barbecue. Just a few minutes, flip it, a few minutes more and done. In the meantime, I can prepare my second one. And just pull it apart. Let's check how this thing goes. Almost done. And for this one I'm going to use some hot sauce. I'm using aborted ultra infernal hot sauce from Dokter Worst uit Breda. He makes some wonderful hot dogs, wonderful sauces. And he got a partner who makes very good pulled pork sandwiches, beef chimichurri. Put this to the side and let's check if this one is done. And it's done. And that's a wrap. Little joke, but it's a wrap. And put the other one on.